summer, we the best in the league. The Fiesta vibe, player vibe. You can feel it through the city. We finally out of the drought, and we come to take it all. All faith in our boys because they know how to ball.